Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Luther by Kendrick Lamar featuring SZA. But first, here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like.
Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, at least strictly with that fire. It's a vibe, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a vibe, they just wanna kumbaya. This world, concrete, flowers grow. Party, she only doing what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give these nobodies no sympathy. I'd take away the pain, I'd give you everything. I just wanna see you win, wanna see if this world were mine.
Alright y'all, as you can see, I have a capo here on the 5th fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. There's going to be 4 chords you need to know for the song, and those 4 chords are A major 7, B minor 9, F sharp minor 7, and E7, okay? And here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is an A major 7, so we're going to put our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string, and we're muting the low E string. It's going to sound like this. Second chord is a B minor 9. So we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the A string, the G string, and the B string, and we're just plucking the 4 middle strings. That's how you play a B minor 9, but I like to include the high E string. You're not really supposed to strum that string when it comes to this chord, but for this song I like to do it. So that's how you play a B minor 9, and the next chord is an F sharp minor 7. So we're going to bar the 2nd fret, and we're going to put our finger on the 4th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Alright, and the last chord is an E7, so we're going to put our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. So those are the 4 chords you need to know, and if we think about it in 4 counts, every chord is going to be a 4 count. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I would like to note that for the E7, sometimes I'll include the B string on the 2nd fret. So it'll give you that sound as opposed to this. But you can choose to include that if you want to or not. Now, in terms of the strumming pattern, like I always say, whatever you feel works best for you, go ahead and do that. But for my example, what I'm doing is down, up, mute, up, down, mute, down, up, mute, up, down, mute, down, up, mute, up, down, mute, down, up, mute, up, down, mute. Okay, so there you have it. That's how you play the song, and I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for tapping into this tutorial. I really hope that it helped you out and added value to you. If it did, go ahead and check out this other tutorial that's popping up on your screen right now. Also, while you're here, go ahead and comment down below, what is your favorite song from Kendrick Lamar's new album, GNX? I like pretty much the whole album. But yeah, I would like to get your thoughts on that. Also, if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want more videos like this. And I will see you guys on the next one.